Hello guys! Magluto lang tayo ngayon ng chicken with black sauce guys. At ito ang ating ingredients. Chicken, black soy sauce, salt, edgy, sugar, red onions, garlic, potato, and ginger guys. Yan ang ating ingredients for today. Let's get started guys. We have an oil already. Need to put the garlic. Next is our onion. And then our ginger. Next guys is our chicken. Just stir it to mix it with the ingredients guys. And then we put our black sauce, black soy sauce, and then our sugar, salt, and edgy guys. MSG. We are using MSG here. And then we mix it well. And then guys, we have to pour our water. It's up to you guys how many cups you put. Sa akin, hanggang ano siya, makabela na ng konti. And then we cover guys. Tingnan lang natin guys. Kailangan guys, konti lang ang gravy natin. Ilagay muna natin yung patatas. At takpan natin ulit guys. Hanggang sa lumiit lang yung konti na lang yung gravy niya. Tada! It's already cooked guys. And it's ready to transfer. Sarap-sarap na naman ang ulam natin ngayon. Ayan guys.